Hello everyone. Let us learn a poem Leisure 3.4 Standard 8. Let me read it first. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. No time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep and cows. No time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. No time to see in broad daylight streams full of stars like skies and night. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. A poor life this, if full of care, we have no time to stand and stare. Written by William Henry Davies. In this poem, the poet W.H. Davies questions the type of life we are leading if we have no time to appreciate the beauty of nature. He explains the biggest problem in people's lives today. Every individual is so busy with their day to day work to achieve their goals that they forget to notice the smaller things in life and the happiness they can get out of these things. The entire poem is written in an interrogative tone. He asks questions, interrogative tone, where each stanza is a rhyming couplet that forms a question. These questions emphasize the poet's point that people should spare means spend time and observe the nature that surrounds them. Let me explain first two lines. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. What's the use of this life if we don't have time to stand and enjoy or appreciate the beauty of nature? In the first two lines, the poet says that our lives are so full of worry, full of care. Here, care meaning what? Normal meaning differs, but in this context, the care means worry, stress, tensions. And that we have no time to stand under the shades of branches and appreciate the beauty of nature, like sheep and the cows. They do when they stand and stare at the greenery around them. See, second stanza, two lines. No time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep and cows. Here, the poet says that if we don't have time to stand beneath the boughs means branches of trees, and stare means what? Appreciate, look forward, enjoy the beauty as sheep and cows also do normally. You might have seen the animals also rest under the trees and the shades of trees, and they also enjoy the beauty of nature.